Today we're going to get organized and I'm going to show you how to build a shelving system in your home, garage, or business. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're back in the packing area, and last time we were here, we built this awesome packing station. If you haven't seen that video, it'll be linked up above. But today, we're going to be focused on this shelving system. It was left here by the previous tenants, and we've made it work okay, but there's just one problem. It's not made out of conduit, and we just can't let that happen in the maker pipe shop, so we're going to fix it. The design's going to be pretty much the same as this one, except we're going to make it work a little bit better for us, so let's get started with the build. Okay guys, this is it, our fully customized shelving system. Now we built this shelving system to fit our needs exactly. So we spaced out the shelves in order to fit everything we needed to on them. Specifically over here with the shipping computer. The old shelving system shelves were too low and it made the area kind of cramped. So we made sure to raise this shelf up to give us more room around the computer. Now the whole structure consists of vertical pipes and horizontal pipes in between each one. We connected those with T's on the end and 180s here in the middle. And then the shelves, a lot of people ask the best way to mount shelves. The way we like to do it is cutting the boards so they rest up against the vertical pipes and rest on top of the horizontal pipes. And then we mount those with the one-hole straps. Okay, now this is probably the most custom part of the shelving system because we built this exactly to fit our process. So in case you don't know, every connector features a heat shrink friction band, and that process includes putting the band on and then shrinking them in an oven, and then we pull the rack out, and we used to just set them on whatever we could, on top of the packing area, on foldable tables, whatever. But now we have a designated cooling area. So we put the parts in the oven, we pull them out, and then we can set them on the cooling shelves. So when we pull the parts out of the oven, they're extremely hot. So we wanted a good way to mount the racks so nothing would be in the way and we wouldn't drop anything whenever we set them down. So to achieve that, we ran these 3 pipes across this horizontal pipe that's connected with T connectors. And it's perfectly spaced so we can stick our hands underneath and move it around and not have to worry about dropping anything. So that works out great. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more videos as we continue to build out the shop, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks, we'll see you next time.